Did you eat from the toilet? I'm smelling mysterious gases. Close your mouth, you get the breath of 1,000 asses. Either that, or you rocking some phony pits. You just a fat slob with hairy baloney. You need to hit them sit-ups too. Not exactly the leanest. Forget seeing me, bro. You can't see your own penis. And mine is bigger than your finger. It's as big as your whole head. You think I'm coming up short? That's not what your mom said. Time for you to quit. Ain't no place for a 500-pound talking piece of.
I think. See,